Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to mute or unmute someone on your Instagram app. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. When it comes to muting or unmuting someone on your Instagram, then there is 3 ways you can do so. The first one is to mute or unmute someone through message. Tap open your Instagram application from your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are done, in order to unmute or mute someone through message, tap on the direct message button at the top right hand corner. Tap on the chat with the person that you'd like to mute. Now, from the conversation page, tap on the person's name at the top, and right under notification, you'll be able to see an option that says mute messages. Simply enable the button right next to them if you want to mute the person through messages. To unmute them, you can simply come back to this page over here and tap on this button one more time right next to mute messages, and that is how you can mute and unmute someone with messages. Now, the next way to mute or unmute someone is through their profile. You can tap on the username from the news feed, or simply go and tap on this search button at the lower left hand corner. In the search box at the top, search for their username. Soon after you make a search, you'll end up in their profile. Select the following tab beneath their profile picture and tap on mute from the options displayed at the bottom. Now you can go ahead and select if you'd like to mute their posts or stories. Enable the button right next to the option of your choice, and if you want to mute them from the both, you can enable the button for both of the options. To unmute them back again from the same page, you can simply disable this button right next to them, and that is how you can easily unmute or mute someone from their profile. You can also mute and unmute account through feed. Simply go ahead and find the post from an account that you'd like to mute or unmute and tap on the 3 dots at the top right of the post. Now, tap on Not Interested, and you can easily snooze all of the suggested posts from that particular account for 30 days, or you can also set Instagram to not suggest you posts related to that particular account. You can undo this process by tapping on Undo. Those were some of the ways you can easily mute or unmute someone on Instagram. Once you mute or unmute a post, remember that Instagram won't let the person know that you muted them, and also muting someone's post is different from unfollowing them. That is how you can easily mute or unmute an account on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.